Okay, so today I wanted to make me some chicken and gravy, but I didn't make brown gravy. I made actual chicken gravy. So I'm going to show you guys how to make some chicken gravy. And I made some smothered wings. Well, wings, and they are smothered in this chicken gravy as well. So let me show you guys what I did. And if you follow along, I hope you can make you some delicious chicken gravy from these steps as well, okay? Okay, in order to make you some delicious smothered chicken wings, you got to have some chicken wings. See, I got some chicken wings. And it's easy to make some delicious smothered chicken wings. So the only thing you need to do is just season it up. Season according to your liking. And I am using some seasoning salt. Can't beat it. Next, I'm going to add me some garlic powder. And each one of these seasonings will be about 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of each. And some black pepper. Okay? And those are the seasonings that we're going to use on our chicken wing. Now, because we don't want our chicken to have some rubbery skin for our smothered chicken wings, we're going to add in a little bit of flour, okay? You don't need a lot. This is a tablespoon. You see that? 1 tablespoon. And the only thing I'm going to do is toss these wings around like so with the seasoning and the flour. Because guess what? We are going to get a crust on the outside of these wings in our fryer like so. So while you're heating up your oil, allow these chicken and the seasoning to sit here together like so for a few minutes. Okay? Okay, so now after your oil has heated up, you're gonna get ready to add your chicken wings to your oil so that we can sear the outside of our chicken wings. Get some crust on them. We don't want our chicken to be rubbery. Nobody likes their skin. It feels like it's not digestible. Once you see your chicken getting a nice sear, after about 3 minutes, go ahead and flip it over. And you're going to flip it over several times because what you don't want it to do, you do not want it to burn, okay? So you're going to flip it over after about 3 minutes. You get a nice little golden sear. It may take up to 4 minutes. It just depends on what temperature you have your skillet on. Now we have a nice, beautiful sear on the outside of our chicken wings. Into the same skillet, you're going to turn down your temperature, okay? You're going to have it on like a medium-low heat. You are going to add in some onion. This is a half of a small onion, okay? And you are going to cook these onions for about 2 minutes, just until they are nice and translucent, clear. Cooking our onions for about 2 minutes, we are getting ready to make our gravy, okay? So I am going to use some store-bought chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, you can use chicken bouillon and some water, or you can just use some water. That's how we really, really do it down here in the South. And that is about 2.5 tablespoons of flour that I will need, because I have about maybe 2.5 tablespoons of oil in here. And we're gonna move that around. Don't worry about the stuff at the bottom. It will come up once we pour our liquid in. It is called fondant, and that's just pieces from the chicken that helps flavor our gravy. And we want this to turn brown. The flour and the oil mixture, you're gonna cook it until it turns a light brown. Once you have cooked that raw taste out of your flour, You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna add in your chicken broth or your water, whichever one you have. Okay. We're gonna pour that in a little bit at a time. We're not using this whole container. We just want enough for it to thicken up. So mix that in really, really well, and it will thicken up. We have allowed this chicken gravy for our smothered chicken wings to thicken. We are going to add in some black pepper. Add in about 2 teaspoons of black pepper. You're gonna add in some seasoning salt. Just a little bit, not a lot. And season according to your taste. I will start out with 1 teaspoon of salt. Taste it, see if you want any more. I'm gonna add in some garlic powder, and that's about a teaspoon as well. And I am going to add in about a teaspoon of poultry seasoning and some parsley. Okay. I am going to mix this together like so. If you want more gravy, just add some more chicken broth and a little flour, mix it together like so. Just depends on how much of gravy you like. Now at this point, go ahead and taste it before you place your chicken in to see if you would like more seasoning. That's perfect. And remember, black pepper, black pepper, black pepper brings flavor on flavor. And taste it so that you can know, that's good, if you season it with love. Now I am going to go ahead and I'm going to place my wings back into my gravy for our smothered chicken. Well, smothered wings. Like so. I'm going to place a lid on here, and I am going to allow these to simmer on top of the stove. You can put it in the oven, but because this is small and it's just some wings, I'm going to allow these to simmer for about 15 minutes. It won't take that long for small wings. Everyone, so this is how you make chicken gravy without having to have drippings. You just need some chicken broth, okay? But if you follow this recipe, you'll be able to make you some chicken gravy. And you can use this recipe for Thanksgiving as well, everyone, okay? See that? Nice, tasteful chicken gravy that you can put on top of rice, your mashed potatoes. You can put this on top of your chicken and dressing or your stuffing, and it will be delicious and your family will enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Stay tuned to my channel, Cooking with TK, for wonderful uploads. Peace and have a beautiful day.